I'm Dan Collins from Integrity Estate Lending. If you are an administrator, executor, trustee, or professional fiduciary administering an estate in California, and you are wondering whether it's possible to secure a short-term loan to fund an estate, I can help you. Since 2009, I have been a court-appointed receiver, a partition referee, and litigation consultant in probate and trust estate litigation matters involving homes, income property, and businesses. In the course of my receivership business for the superior and federal courts, I have worked with many private money lenders. In my consulting business and real estate brokerage sales duties, I am frequently asked to fund estates in litigation, estates that have property assets but little or insufficient cash to make necessary repairs to homes or income properties. Every year in California, there are more than 50,000 new probate cases, and many more thousands of trust estates require administration with insufficient cash to properly settle and distribute estate assets to heirs. And I notice that often those probate and trust estates are asset-rich but cash-poor. I see it every day. Unfortunately, because most estates don't have sufficient cash, beneficiaries often get shortchanged. You can ask, well, how? An example might be a property needs work to make it saleable for the best price and terms, but there's no money to make repairs to the home or the income property. Another example, a qualified accountant or bookkeeper needs to be hired, but there's no money. And a third example might be an heir or a beneficiary to the estate you are administering is in financial distress, but there's no cash available to help them. Integrity Estate Lending is not a direct lender, but we know through our years of direct dealings with private money lenders the best-in-class lenders for every category, and we will gladly refer you at no charge. We work with lenders that we know to be reputable and trustworthy, and we are compensated only for referrals. We're not out to sell you anything, nor will we ever attempt to upsell you on anything. This is how Integrity Estate Lending works. Call or email us directly to describe your estate lending requirement. We will identify and we will recommend 2 or 3 different lenders we think may be able to help with your requirement. We will assist you in working through the funding process with the lender that you select. Afterwards, we will follow up to make sure you received the services and the results that you needed. That's it. In most cases, Integrity Estate Lending will be able to match you with a lender, but if we cannot help you, we will tell you that and explain what your options are, if there are any. If you've already found a loan and are not sure whether it's a good deal, maybe because the interest rate is high or the terms sound like they might not be fair, we'll give you our honest and unbiased assessment of the proposed terms being offered to you. There's never any charge for this, and there's no obligation. If you have an estate lending need in California, call me directly today at 916-215-2042. I'm Dan Collins at Integrity Estate Lending. My number again is 916-215-2042. Let's talk.